Hello first graders, it's Miss Chen here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to look at a game that we played yesterday with Ms. Dreeper, but this time it's a little bit different because we're going to play 2 rounds and we're going to compare which side has more. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spin our number for the tens. And it looks like I got 30, so that means I'm going to put 1, 10, 20, and 30. And then I'm going to roll my dice for the ones place. And it looks like I got 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so now I'm going to do my second spin, and I'm going to move this a little bit out of the way so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay. And that looks like 10. And then I'm going to roll my dice to see what I get for my ones place. So that's 5. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So today is a little bit different. So I'm going to show you what we are going to be working on today. So this is the page that we're going to be doing today, and it is for us to keep track of who has more. So I just went and I got 33 for my first roll. So I got 3 tens, so I got 30 plus 3 more. So 30 plus 3 more is 33. And then for my second roll, I got 10. And I also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Good. Now, I have all these sticks, and I was wondering, how can I count them and see how many I have all together? That is true. I can count first by tens, and then I'm going to count by ones. Okay, so I'm going to see how many tens I have. So I'm going to get those out of the way. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so I have 40 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have 40 plus 8. So 40 and 8 more is 48. Good. Now I wonder, how can I show how I got my answer? I can draw a picture of how I got my answer. So one thing I could do is I can draw my bundles of 10 like this, and I'm going to label them as 10. And then I'm going to label my ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. So that's one way I could show my strategy. Another way was I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, and then count by ones. So 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48. So that is another strategy I can do. Okay. All right, now it is your turn. And once again, we are going to spin. Okay. And that looks like the line, so we're going to spin again. That looks like 10. So I'm going to put a bundle of 10 here. And then you're going to roll your dice. It looks like you got 5 also. Interesting. Let's see, let me give you 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now is your second roll. Let's see. And this time it looks like you got 10 again. So I'm going to put another bundle of 10. And then we're going to roll our dice. Oops. And it looks like you have 4. So that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to record it on our next page. Let me see if I can zoom it in a little bit so you can see better. Alright, so your first one, you had 1 bundle of 10 and 5 ones. So I'm going to write that as 10 plus 5. 10 and 5 more is 15. Good. And then your second one was 1 bundle of 10 and 4 ones. So I'm going to write that as 10 plus 4, and 10 plus 4 is 14. Good. Okay. So now I have all these sticks again. How do I count all these sticks? How will I know how many sticks do I have altogether? Using one of the strategies that we just looked at. So we can count by tens again. So I'm going to get rid of the ones. So we have 10, 20. Okay, and then we're going to count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. So I'm going to write my equation. So I have 20 plus 9. And 20 plus 9 is 29. Good job. And we're going to draw a picture to show how we got the answer. So once again, we're going to draw a big box to show 10. Another box to show another 10. And then we're going to draw our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then my other strategy was I counted first by tens. So 10, 20. and then by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 29. So you got 29 and Miss Chen got 48. So which way do you think Number Gator is going to go? Is Number Gator going to eat 29 or 48? Remember, Number Gator eats the number that's greater. If you said 48, give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome job. All right, so that is the end of today's math lesson. Thank you for watching. Always be safe, be kind, and I'll see you next week.